Hello and welcome to another episode of Sandy Killer Projects. In this episode, we're going to show you how to change out rear wheel hubs on the Jeep Commander. It's actually really easy, so I'll walk you through it on the other side. After the wheel has been removed, hit the two 13mm bolts that attach the slide to the bracket for the rear brake. Alright, once you get the caliper off, you pull this O-ring that sits on the front of it. It's what helps keep this in place and lined up. Then you need to remove the four 18mm bolts on the back here, there, and there, and then you're able to pull it out. Okay, so once you get the old one out, you slide the new one in. The trick to this is you don't have to take out the e-brake. It doesn't have to come loose, doesn't have to do anything. You can sneak it all in and around, and then down into place, and then it's the four 18mm bolts tighten back down to spec. Alright, so as you're finishing up the install, you have to put an O-ring that goes on the front of the rotor to keep it held in place. Alright, next thing that's to go back on is your 13mm for your brake caliper on the top and on the bottom. You shouldn't need to compress the brake pads out of the way. It'll actually slide up and over. The one thing you do have to do is be mindful of this clip right here, because that's actually what keeps them from dropping out. Then reinstall your tire back on. Alright, once you have the wheel on and done, then this one's done. So as always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep making more content.